Hey YouTube, I wanted to hop on here and do a quick, like a DIY mask. I have been wanting to do this mask for a while now. I am completely barefaced. Looks so like sleepy, I guess you could say. But okay, so the mask that I've been wanting to do for a while now is the bentonite clay and turmeric face mask. Supposedly this mask is amazing. I think I'm not sure if I did a tutorial before, but I did try this as I purchased this. I will link down below all of the products that I'm going to be using. But I did just use the mask, and it had to be, I don't know, maybe a year ago, and I just kind of put it away and forgot about it. But I did see a different recipe online, and it included turmeric, and we'll be going and letting y'all know what the benefits are for each ingredient. So the first thing, so the products that I'm going to be using, it's obviously the Aztec Clay. It's the Indian healing clay. It says it's deep pore cleaning or deep pore cleansing. So you're going to be needing this, turmeric, ground turmeric, apple cider vinegar, and you want to use the one that says with the mother, a bowl, some measuring spoon, and an applicator. The bentonite clay is a healing clay made of the ashes of volcano. It's supposed to draw out toxins, open up clogged pores, tones and tightens the skin, and reduces blemishes and exfoliates all in one. And then the turmeric powder that you're going to be using, it brightens and evens the skin tones, which is what I really need, like especially in this area. I notice it gets a little dark. Like sometimes it looks good because it gives me like that highlight, that definition, but I just noticed that I do have a lot of discoloration. It's supposed to treat acne, treat eczema, controls oily skin, and improves skin elasticity, which who doesn't want that, right? And then the raw vinegar, it's supposed to unclog pores, preventing breakouts and allowing the skin to breathe. And then also it says it restores pH balance, and then it also helps the skin from pollution and harmful bacteria. This is the before. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the ingredients. I'm gonna show you how I do that, and then we'll go ahead and apply the mask. Okay, so it says the first thing you do is in a non-metal bowl, which I'm gonna use this, and it's a rubber applicator spoon of the bentonite. So this is my tablespoon. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And I have a ton of it. I need to start using it more, I guess. Pour that in here. You're gonna need a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here's my teaspoon. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link all of the ingredients down in the description box below. Probably about a teaspoon. Yeah. Okay. And then it says 2 tablespoons of the raw apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna use this. I have to open it because it's a new one, because I do drink this in the morning. So it says 2. Tablespoons. I'm not sure if you can see that. Can you hear that? Okay, so you're gonna do 2 of those. Similar to this. And then once you have all that mixed up, you're just going to put it on your face and leave it on there for 10 to 15 minutes. Hoping you can see me. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes, let this harden and dry, and then I'll come back and show you what I'm gonna do next. So the mask will start like tightening. I don't know if you can see how it's like cracking because I'm talking, but it's tightening and it's tingling. And what you can do is either rinse when it's completely dried. See on the edges it's dry. And wherever you caked it on, that's where it's gonna take the longest to dry. But once it's fully dried, what you can do is just get a warm wash rag and kind of like wipe it off and clean it. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the sink and I'm gonna rinse it out or wash it off once it completely dries. And then I'll show you what it feels like afterwards. Almost there, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I rinsed it out. And here it is. I actually feel like it kind of brightened up my face a little bit more. So yeah, that's it. I honestly can say that my face looks a little bit more brighter. It looks a little bit more woken up. And it looks like it's pretty evened it out. I still have a couple of blemishes, but that's okay. And what I recommend is putting on a moisturizer. I recommend putting on some type of moisturizer. I use this one. It's called Lacura Face Cream. It's Q10 Day Cream, anti-wrinkle. So yeah, I definitely recommend putting on a cream afterwards, just because I'll always putting something new on your face. For me, I normally break out. So yeah, that's it, you guys. And then I recommend to do it at least like once a week. But overall, I'm pretty impressed. I really like the way it turned out. I'm gonna get on here and share this face mask with you guys and show y'all the before and after. I feel like it did brighten up my face a little bit, but I feel like the more I do it, it will just get better and better. If you do like videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And like always, thank you for watching. Love you guys.